Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract wealth effortlessly while others stay stuck in financial struggle? The truth is, getting rich has very little to do with luck and everything to do with daily habits. Success is built quietly, one small decision at a time. The richest people in the world didn't get there overnight. They practiced specific habits day after day that transformed their financial lives. In this video, I'll share 8 daily habits that can make you rich, starting from wherever you are right now. These are habits anyone can apply, whether you have a lot, a little, or even nothing at all. Habit 1. Track every penny you spend. The first habit is to track every penny you spend. Most people don't know where their money goes, and that's exactly why they never seem to have enough. If you can't see your spending, you can't control it. Awareness is the foundation of financial freedom. Start by writing down every expense, from rent and bills to coffee and snacks. It might feel tedious at first, but soon you'll notice where your money leaks away. Maybe it's impulse purchases or monthly subscriptions you don't use. Knowing this helps you take back control. Tracking isn't about restriction, it's about direction. It helps you understand your habits, set priorities, and redirect money toward things that truly matter. Every financial success story starts with clarity, and clarity begins with tracking your money. Habit 2. Save before you spend. Most people spend first and save what's left. The rich do the opposite. They save first, then spend what's left. This simple reversal changes everything. It's not about how much you make. It's about what you keep and how you manage it. Even if you start by saving 1% or 5% of your income, the act of saving first trains your brain to prioritize your future over instant pleasure. That small habit turns into a powerful mindset, one that values security, growth, and patience. As you continue this habit, saving will no longer feel like a burden. It becomes a normal part of your lifestyle. You'll start to see your savings grow, and with it, your confidence. That's when money stops controlling you and starts working for you. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, like, comment, and share for more important videos. Habit 3. Invest in yourself every day. The greatest investment you'll ever make isn't in the stock market, it's in yourself. The skills, knowledge, and confidence you build will pay you for a lifetime. Every book you read, every course you take, every skill you practice, these are seeds of wealth. Make it a daily habit to feed your mind. Spend at least 30 minutes each day learning something new about money, business, or personal development. When you understand how money works, you make smarter decisions, and that separates you from the crowd. The more you grow, the more valuable you become. People who invest in themselves earn more, create more, and handle money better. Growth compounds, just like money does. Every day you learn, you're quietly building your future fortune. Habit 4. Avoid instant gratification. In today's world, everyone wants results fast, quick success, quick money, quick pleasure, but real wealth doesn't work like that. The rich understand the power of delayed gratification, sacrificing small pleasures today for greater rewards tomorrow. Instant gratification drains your wealth. It's that temptation to buy what you don't need, to spend just because you can. But every time you say no to an impulse, you strengthen your financial discipline. That's what builds wealth, not what you buy, but what you resist. If you can delay rewards, you'll build patience, focus, and clarity. The ability to wait is the ability to win. Every dollar you don't waste today is a soldier ready to fight for your financial freedom tomorrow. Habit 5. Review and plan every day. The 5th habit is to review and plan your finances daily. Every night, take 5 minutes to check your progress. Did you spend wisely today? Did you save or invest? What can you improve tomorrow? Those small reflections create massive awareness. By reviewing your finances daily, you build a relationship with your money. You no longer feel lost or uncertain about where you stand. You're in control. And when you're in control, your confidence grows. This habit doesn't just improve your bank balance, it sharpens your decision-making. The more you plan and review, the fewer mistakes you make. And fewer mistakes mean faster progress toward your financial goals. Habit 6. Build multiple streams of income. Relying on one source of income is risky. The rich understand that wealth comes from diversification. Having multiple streams of income means that even if one slows down, the others keep flowing. It's stability, security, and opportunity combined. Start small. If you have a job, think of ways to create a second stream. Maybe freelancing, investing, or selling something online. Even a small extra income can grow with time and consistency. This habit trains your mind to think like an entrepreneur, not an employee. You begin seeing opportunities everywhere, in your skills, passions, and experiences. Multiple streams don't just make you rich, they make you financially unbreakable. Habit 7. Surround yourself with financially minded people. Your environment shapes your mindset. If you constantly spend time with people who complain about money or fear taking risks, that mindset will rub off on you. Wealthy people intentionally surround themselves with growth-oriented minds. Start seeking people who think bigger, save smarter, and work harder. Watch how they make decisions, how they talk about money, and how they manage opportunities. You'll start picking up their mindset and energy. The people around you can either drain your dreams or drive them. Choose wisely. When you're surrounded by people who believe in progress and discipline, your financial journey becomes faster and more powerful. Habit 8. Take action every single day. Knowledge without action is useless. The final habit is to act every day, no matter how small the step. Read about investing. Apply it. Learn a saving trick. Try it today. Want to start a side hustle? Begin researching tonight. Wealth grows through momentum, not motivation. Some days you'll feel tired, discouraged, or doubtful, but the secret is consistency. Even when you don't feel ready, keep taking action. The most successful people in the world don't wait for the perfect moment, they create it. Every small action adds up. One day, you'll look back and realize those tiny daily steps built the life you once dreamed of. Habit 9. Continuously educate yourself about money. The 9th habit is to continuously educate yourself about money. Financial literacy is one of the most powerful tools you can have. Understanding how money works, learning about investing, budgeting, and taxes, or following the strategies of successful people can completely change the way you handle your finances. Knowledge is power, and in finance, it's also wealth. Education doesn't have to be complicated or boring. You can read books, listen to podcasts, watch educational videos, or follow financial experts online. The key is consistency. Learning a little every day builds expertise over time. The more you know, the better decisions you make, and the more your money works for you. By making financial education a daily habit, you're preparing yourself for opportunities others might miss. You'll spot investments, business ideas, and smart spending strategies that can accelerate your journey to wealth. Knowledge compounds, just like money, and those who educate themselves continuously always stay ahead. Conclusion? These 9 habits, tracking your expenses, saving first, investing in yourself, avoiding instant gratification, reviewing daily, building multiple streams of income, surrounding yourself with financially minded people, taking daily action, and continuously educating yourself about money form the foundation of lasting wealth. Wealth doesn't happen overnight, it grows quietly, step by step, through consistent, smart actions repeated every single day. Start implementing these habits now, no matter where you are in life, and you'll notice your mindset, decisions, and finances transforming over time. Remember, small, intentional habits lead to big results. The life you dream of is built one habit at a time. Start today, stay consistent, and watch your financial freedom unfold. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, like, comment, and share for more important videos.